Linking your bank account to your DAZN account is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your subscriptions easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your DAZN account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen or in the menu section of the app. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Billing. Click on this option to proceed to the payment settings. Step 4. Add bank account information. Look for an option to add a new payment method. Choose the option to link a bank account and enter the required information such as your bank account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to your DAZN account. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to your DAZN account, making it easier to manage your subscription payments.